Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 4th, subject GK. Now, we have already started our revision. We have completed up to, just 1 second, huh? I think we have completed up to presidents of India, right now? Okay, so just we will start our next topic, that is around India. Name the name of which city means. So here are the famous things given, and we have to write the names of that state. The abode of clouds, Meghalaya. The abode of kings and rajas is Rajasthan. Which state has large area of forest land? Of course, it is Madhya Pradesh. Which big mela takes place in Haridwar on the bank of the river Ganga, in Ujjain on the bank of river Shipra, in Nasik on the bank of river Godavari, and at Prayag, Allahabad, where the river Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati meet. That is Kumbh Mela. Then fourth one, Sonpur Mela in Bihar is very popular fair. And what is brought and sold in this Mela? The animals like bullocks, cows, buffaloes and elephants. Okay. Now next question, which desert the largest in India is a special across the state of Rajasthan? It's a Thar desert. Then which is most widely grown fruit in India? It's mango. Everyone loves mango, no? Which city in Uttarakhand has been built in the valley between Great Himalayas and Shivaliks? So it is Dehradun. Then next, you may have visited Nainital. Can you name the hills around the Nainital? It's Kumon Hills. Okay. So the answers are given in box. You have to just select the correct one. So let's start our new topic, next topic, that is time to think. Take your time, think and then answer. How many holes you make in a tin if you want to liquid in it to be poured out through a small hole? At least 2. If your train is supposed to leave at the station 20 to 30 hours, if it is on time, what time at night it will leave? That means it is a 24 hours clock and we have to convert it into 12 hours clock. So it is 10:30 p.m. right? So everyone knows it in mathematics, right now? If your father wants to keep a liquid warm, he puts in thermos flask. Does he kept it in the flask if it is very cold and wants to keep it cold? So it is yes. What are the A, B, C of car? A for accelerator, B for brake and C for clutch. You can see in the picture. If you leave an open container of water out in the open under the sun, will the level of water in the bowl go up or go down? Of course down, because when we put the water in the sun, the heat will convert the water into vapor. So due to evaporation, the level goes down. Which two colors paint should you mix to get orange? So if we add red and yellow, we get orange color. How many seconds are there in 10 minutes? So in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. And in 10 minutes, 60 multiplied by 10, we get 600 seconds. Okay. How many hours are there in a week? So week has 7 days and 1 day has 24 hours. So 24 into 7, we get 168 days. Okay. So see here, each symbols meaning the certain numbers. That means this square represent 1. This one is 2. Then this 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So with the help of this, you have to write the answer. So see here, these two box means 1. Okay. 11 multiplied by 15, we get 165. Here also, these symbols represent 2, triangle represent 5 and question mark represent 6. That is 256 divided by 32, we get 8. Next, this symbol represent 3 and then equal sign 4. and this sign represents 7. It's 7? No, it's 2. So 342 plus 235, we get 577. See here, 2, A for 5 and this 6. Okay, it is 7. Okay, 257 minus 825 minus 275, we get here 568. And next, more word game. So there are many words that help us to learn more words, and here are two that you may play at home if you have a free period. The first game is known as word within word. Each of you should have a piece of paper pencil. A word is split up out in the written blackboard, and a player has to try and form as many words as possible by using the letters in the using the plurals of the main word is not allowed. Fine. The player within the maximum words wins. For example, forest, the word from for, soar. So this is the word forest. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6 words we can make so many words. So this is the example given. From forest we make for, to, soar, for, road, store, of, rest, to, fort. है ना, कितने सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं. ऐसे ही हमें एक वर्ड्स लेके उसके ऐसे छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स तैयार करने हैं. नाउ हियर देयर इज अनदर गेम. 2 or 3 letters are given. You can add letters before or after both and form the words. The player has maximum number of words will. एक वर्ड दिया है, उसके आगे या पीछे हम कोई अल्फाबेट लगा के मैक्सिमम वर्ड तैयार करेंगे. जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा तैयार करेगा वो क्या होगा? विनर होगा. सपोज दिस इज द वर्ड दैट इज राम. ओके, सो सी हियर, प्राम, रैम्प, ट्रैम्प, trample, then tramp, cramp, rampag, then trampoline. Okay, see here, so many words are here. Okay, this is the another example of it also. So many words are formed. Okay, now our next topic, that is similar sounding words. So there are certain words sound similar but having different meaning. उनका स्पेलिंग भी अलग होता है और उनका मीनिंग भी अलग होता है, बट वो साउंड सेम करते हैं. Use the clues A and B and select the answer from the box below. The first one has done for you. Water that falls from the clouds in the form of separate drop is rain. है ना, बारिश होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? रेन. And the empire rule, it is rain, but spelling is REGIN, sorry. Okay, what your parent pencil pens what your parent, not parents, it's paper. What your paper, pencil, pen are the collectively called, it is called stationery. And not moving, जो हिलता नहीं उसको भी हम इंग्लिश में स्टेशनरी बोलते हैं, और ये जो सामान है उसको हम स्टेशनरी कहते हैं ना. राइट. देन नेक्स्ट, the money that you have to pay the traveler, bus or train, it is fair, and it is just fair. To change, alter, and the body table in the church or temple, it is called altar also. To sleep, light, that is dose, and to measure the medicine is also dose. Then being born, it is birth, and the place to sleep in the in a train is also birth. The mixture of flour, water, etc. is made to bread, it's dough, and the female there is also known as dove, बस spelling different है देखना. Flow of water in a direction is called current. Absolutely right. एक दिशा से अगर पानी बहता है तो उसे हम इंग्लिश में करंट कहते हैं. A type of dried fruit like raisin is called also current. एक रेजिन मतलब अंगूर, सूखा हुआ अंगूर होता है ना, उसका एक टाइप होता है, तो उस टाइप के फ्रूट्स को भी करंट कहते हैं. Bending head or body forward is called bow, and the main branch of a tree is also called bow. Then big or important is called grate, and to rub something against the surface so that to break it into small pieces is also called grate. Then next topic, is it true? So these are the true false. It is important now, so true false may be asked, so revise it properly. No two zebras have identical stripes. True. Only the female mosquito bites. It's true. Only